Hey Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I have an Ulta haul. Okay, that was cringe, but let's just jump into it. Let's dig into the box of goodies here. Actually, I had to get into it earlier before I started this because I did get the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, and I was like, I want to try it. It looks cute. I feel like I like it. I'm going to take a peek at my skin real quick. I've had it on for about 7 hours. This like all my makeup except for my eyes. I just did those. So I wanted to do a little something. I'm trying to get a lot of Valentine's Day looks created ahead of time. But I feel like this is a pretty decent primer. I mean, I can do a review video if you'd like. Let's dig on into it. We have the 100 milligram CBD facial oil from e.l.f. I was watching a Twintorials video recently, and they said that they liked this, and I like the lip oil, so I was like, well, I'll try that because my skin has been super dry, and it's like I need something for all this. Next up, I have two NYX lipsticks. One is the Shout Loud Satin Lipstick and Everyone Lies, and the next is the Suede Matte Lipstick in Alien. So I've been on the hunt for a good black lipstick. Fingers crossed this one will be good, because when I do rainbow looks, I sometimes like to wear a black lipstick, and I just love black lipstick anyway. So fingers crossed that this next one works out, please. Next on the list, out of the box, is another thing that Twintorials talked about, and I was like, I need to try it. So it is the Wet n Wild Long Lasting Eyeshadow Primer. I've been using the ABH eye primer for a year or two, and I noticed the last couple of times I did a look, my shit was creasing. And I never had that problem, so like I'm trying to find a different primer. So I grabbed that one. It's affordable. It's like bigger than the one that I pay for because I get the mini of the ABH one, and this is $11, and this one looks like it is quite a bit bigger. If it's even the same size, like, it doesn't matter. It's still like, oh yeah, this looks to be a little bit bigger. But, I mean, that one's 11 and this is 5, so I'm saving $6. And, of course, I had to do a little bit of skincare. So I grabbed up the Truly Heart Your Imperfection Heart Sheets. I will be filming an empty soon, and these will be a reoccurrence yet again. And I also grabbed the Ordinary Sally's, I cannot pronounce this word, Salicylic Acid Mask. So I'm excited to try this. Right now I'm very thankful that my face is kind of clearing up some, but I do sometimes, you know, during that time of the month, sometimes I will get them really bad, like on my forehead. Like, they won't even be a lot. It'll just be like one, and it looks like I have a mountain on my forehead. And I've had some on my cheeks. So the tutorial that has went up, or it's not yet, but it's going to on Sunday, which will be January the 31st. My face was very broken out in that tutorial, and like it was really bad. So I'm hoping that this will help when I have issues like that. And the last thing that I decided that I was going to grab was the Revolution Makeup Patricia Bright Palette. I had been eyeing this one before, and I'll just say that back when I like was first starting out with makeup, and I wasn't like, I don't even want to say that I'm good now, but like I really wasn't super good then. I had picked up a couple of Makeup Revolution palettes, and like I wasn't super impressed with the pigment, but I was also, I don't know, it was probably something that I was doing, so I was like, well, that one looks colorful enough, so I want to give it a try. And I have been on it for a while, so I was like, you know what, you hadn't really bought a palette in a minute, and so, you know, you about need to treat yourself. So I did. Alright, so this is my Ulta haul. I know it's not anything like super, I know that it's not anything super massive, but I mean, I felt like it was a pretty good one. I got a few goodies. Well, I feel like it was quite a few goodies, so I'm really excited to try them. If you would like to see a video or tutorial with the Patricia Bright palette, please do let me know down below. If you're interested in knowing my thoughts and opinions on any of these products, if you'd like me to show them out in a video, how I apply them, my thoughts and opinions, also let me know about that down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in keeping up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I am not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias down below. And don't forget to use the hashtag slightlyunblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!